Hey there, nature lovers. Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the wonders of the natural world. Today, I'll take you on a journey into the fascinating world of Louisiana crawfish. These little creatures are an integral part of the state's culture and ecosystem. These little critters are more than just a tasty dish. They're a marvel of nature. From their unique habitats to their intriguing behaviors, there's so much to learn about them. First off, let's talk habitats. Crawfish are incredibly adaptable and can be found in a variety of freshwater environments. Crawfish thrive in freshwater environments. They prefer areas with slow-moving or still water, which provides them with plenty of food and shelter. Think swamps, rivers, and even rice fields. These environments offer the perfect conditions for crawfish to flourish. They're found on every continent except Antarctica. Amazing, right? This wide distribution shows just how versatile and resilient these creatures are. Now, what do they eat? Crawfish are omnivores, meaning they have a varied diet that helps them survive in different environments. They munch on plants, insects, and even small fish. They're nature's little recyclers, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. When it comes to their breeding cycle, it's quite a spectacle. Crawfish have a fascinating reproductive process that ensures their survival. Breeding season usually peaks in the spring. During this time, you'll see a lot of activity as they prepare to bring the next generation into the world. After laying eggs, the female carries them until they hatch. This maternal care is vital for the survival of the young crawfish. Interestingly, crawfish can regenerate their limbs after aggressive breeding seasons. This ability to regrow lost limbs is a remarkable adaptation. So, if you see one with a missing claw, don't worry, it'll grow back. This regenerative power helps them recover from injuries and continue thriving. And let's not forget their physical abilities. Crawfish are equipped with specialized limbs that make them excellent movers in their aquatic environments. Crawfish have 4 legs for walking and 4 legs for swimming. This unique combination allows them to navigate their habitats with ease. They walk forward, but swim backward. This dual capability makes them agile and efficient in escaping predators and searching for food. Plus, they've got excellent vision and can move their eyes independently. This gives them a wide field of view and helps them stay alert to their surroundings. It's like nature gave them a superpower. Their keen eyesight and mobility make them fascinating creatures to observe. Now, on to the delicious part. Crawfish are not only interesting to study, but also a beloved delicacy in Louisiana. Crawfish season in Louisiana runs from mid-January through early July. This is the best time to enjoy fresh, locally caught crawfish. If you're looking to catch your own, you'll need a few basics: a crawfish trap, some bait like fish heads or even hot dogs, and a bit of patience. Setting up your trap correctly is key to a successful catch. Set your trap in shallow, slow-moving water and wait. Patience is essential, but the reward is worth it. Before you know it, you'll have a bucket full of these tasty critters. It's a fun and rewarding experience for the whole family. So how do you cook them? There are many ways to prepare crawfish, but a traditional boil is a favorite. Start by purging them in salt water to clean them out. This step is crucial for ensuring your crawfish are ready to cook. Then, bring a pot of seasoned water to a rolling boil. The seasoning is what gives the crawfish their distinctive, delicious flavor. Toss in your crawfish and within 10-15 minutes, they're ready. The cooking process is quick, making it perfect for gatherings. Serve them up with corn, potatoes, and a dash of Cajun spice. This combination creates a mouth-watering feast that's hard to resist. It's a feast you won't forget. Crawfish boils are a social event, bringing people together to enjoy good food and great company. And there you have it, the secrets of Louisiana crawfish. From their habitats to your dinner table, these creatures are truly remarkable. From their unique habitats to their role in culinary traditions, crawfish are a testament to nature's wonders. Next time you savor this seasonal delicacy, you'll appreciate the journey they've made. Understanding their life cycle and habitat makes the experience even more special. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. We hope you enjoyed learning about these fascinating creatures as much as we did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more nature wonders. See y'all next time. Stay curious and keep exploring the natural world.